The launching of this internet connectivity will improve the learning, of course, promote performance of the learners, open up their minds, exploit their talent, and make them acquire skills that will make them fit very well in the globe.
The goal of the project is to really expand access to high quality education through incorporating use of technologies, including internet, including video conference facilities for remote learning, remote teaching. And this program that we're launching today is unique because of the focus on special needs. This is the Machako School for the Deaf. Amongst the 21 schools of Phase 2, 6 are special needs schools, 5 are schools for the deaf, where we believe that having a video conference equipment is very important.